In this chapter of Pre-Cozy Pages, I'll be in an untouched, rare combination of a hill filled with foliages and an old fort full of history. It takes me to one of those enchanted forests of magical movies, and how I find inspiration for my next set of paintings.
Hey all, so I am leaving for Bhopal along with Sumit. I won't be able to meet him for another 3 months. Sumit, 3 months now?
84 days.
So 84 days I will not be with him, and so that's why I thought I'll accompany him to Bhopal, and from there he can go to Indore and I'll come back to Delhi. Maybe I'll film some good videos. Let's see, let's find out.
I was already in love with this place, full of scenic beauty, and everywhere I see was greenery. We stopped at this place, Bhin Morena. हमने वहाँ पे चाय पी and also this was my first time taking videos like this. I think ये भैया लोग काफ़ी conscious हो गए. ये तो स्माइली करने लग गए और दूसरे भैया बाल बनाने लग गए. This was the place where we stayed. Throughout the whole night, the peacock was singing, although I couldn't spot any of them in the whole trip.
Just reached Bhopal. It's already 11 and so tired. It was a more than 12 hours journey, but it was worth it. I didn't know MP has such scenic places, especially from Gwalior to Guna. And after Guna, we couldn't see anything because it was already dark. But so looking forward for tomorrow. Sumit. Day starts now. Actually day तो बहुत पहले शुरू हो गया था, because the place where we are staying is so pretty. So I've shortlisted few places. As you all know, I like to pick those places which are more artistic or maybe मुझे लगते हैं artistic. And we are on the way to that place. Today the weather is so pretty, but I have heard that the weather over here is always like this.
I was visiting Bhopal for the first time, actually MP for that matter. And just like any other tourist, I also had thoughts of visiting all the famous attractions of this place. But I wanted to go to a place where I can spend a lot of peaceful time with Sumit, a getaway which is serene and away from the busy streets of any city. And there it was, 50 kilometers away from the city. It was a 800 years old fort. It was mostly the ruins, but that's the best part about it. No shiny chandeliers or metal carvings or any fancy sitting areas, just the raw beauty. It was up at the top of the hills. We climbed up and got so mesmerized by the look of it. The whole look and the texture of the stones, how it is built up, the view of the city from the top. It was just wow. I don't know much of history about this fort, but yes, I just want to share something that I didn't find anything haunting over here or any philosopher's stone for that matter. most of the filming in this fort was done by Sumit. It's something which he likes to do. So he was enjoying what he likes and I was enjoying what I like. That was sketching. We had a perfect day and headed for some lunch, or I can actually call it supper.
तो ये था राइसन फोर्ट एंड अब हम कुछ खाने के लिए जाएंगे. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बहुत धूप हो गई है. So we are in Noor Sabha Palace. It has got 3 restaurants, but I'm trying the Mughlai food because I've heard the Mughlai food over here is really nice. This place is really nice. Very beautiful place. It has got so many artistic value in it. I'll show you more.
We couldn't go to our third location. It started raining a lot. The location was outdoors, so we decided to move back. Also, Google Map played good games with us this time in Bhopal. We lost a lot of time, but then we had a great time with our friends later in the evening, whom we met after so many years.
So I came back home and started editing this vlog and also started painting these from this trip. I will soon be putting all this on my Etsy shop and also on Instagram for sale. Also, if you're wondering where was Pari and Zara, they were with my sister at home. She was taking care of them. Can't thank her enough. She has been such a help. She's going to be with me for a while, so you might spot her in my coming videos. That's it for today. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.